We start with 1 hour chart. If you refer to our analysis in my last video, we mentioned how we can look for trade. Actually, there was no trade setup. And when we see this kind of the move, mostly we can expect the price to drop because really corrective, similar to any of this, similar to what we get here. And as you can see, price drop. Now the question is whether the price can break 0.00743 or not. Because as you can see, one time's almost near to what we were expected, the price reverse. The second time's tag reverse, four times and fifth. Sorry, this is the third times and four times. And how about now? Can we expect the price to break or still we can expect the price tag and reverse? How we can look for trade? Okay. Anyway, if we move to, higher time frame, as we can see, we are within this down move and we get the one move up with a sharp candle and all right. And now the question is how complex can be this? The only things I can say here is for me, I'm expecting if the price break 0.00743, mostly the next target I'm looking for is 0.0059. Okay. Again, this is approximately what I can say. It doesn't mean the price have to drop to this level. Either the price can break this one or even the price may the price drop and even the possibility of the price break this one or even may the price cannot take. But if we put this on the percentage, any breakout of this next drop, if it's a sharp, we can expect the price to drop to 0.0059. Because if we move to lower time frame, as we mentioned that technically because the price a few times tagged these lines but it couldn't break, and mostly based on the experience and the technically when we have this kind of the support, if the price break can drop quite a lot. That's why if we put this one as a correction, internal correction in relative to this, we can expect this one to drop to this level because in terms of the length also can be similar to what we have here. Okay, that's why I know the question is whether the price can break this support or not, and if it's break, how sharp it can drop. Because what we're looking for, even if the price break and drop as a sharp move, any reversal we're looking for buy, because mostly the next reversal can give us really good trade. This is what we're looking for trade. Now we are not looking for the down sell, we're looking for the buy reversal. Okay, that's why we are not going to risk for the sell. This is the only things I can highlight here. And based on forward chart, we don't have anything else to discuss. And if we move to 1 hour chart, first of all, one of the option, if the best things, if the price can break this support after the breakout and when the price broke this low, any reversal, we will look for buy. Either the price, sorry, I think that I need to move to forward chart. I will put on, all right, we hadn't put on 1 hour chart, but all right, it's here. Okay. All right. As we mentioned, if you want to look for buy, the best option is if the price can break this line. Any drop with the breakout of this low, as long as the price broke this line, which is 0.00743, any reversal we can look for buy. It doesn't mean we have to wait the price to drop to the 0.0059. This is what we can expect. Okay, and the best thing is if we can confirm that this correction in relative to this move, if I put here, the best thing is if we can confirm this correction in relative to this move is done. That means we get one more drop. This is the best option. But how about if the price reverse from here and the price couldn't break this line similar to any of this? Okay, any reversal, any buy setup from here, we will take it. That means if we get any sharp move with the flag, we will take the trade, but we consider as a short term. That means if we get the trade, what we're looking for the sharp move, not the corrective move. If it turns to a corrective move, we don't stay with the trade, but we will look for the sharp move. And if we get the sharp move, the times price, after the sharp move for the second correction, then this is where we have to start to manage, similar to what we get here. We had this, the price tag, it couldn't break. We get the reversal. This is where we could look for buy. What we expect the sharp move. And the next correction where we have to start to manage the first trade. Okay, the only thing is right now we point on this. This is how we're going to look for trade. Anyway, right now we don't have any trade set up, and one of the option, how would the price sharply reverse from here? The only thing we is to have entry above this. But if the price, what we're looking for, if we want to have entry above this, we're looking for the sharp move. What we want the price break and continue. If the price break tag, we see the within first or second hours is not moving, we take with the trade. We don't stay with the trade. Okay, but anyway, having entry above this can be an option, but it's very risky. Anyway, we just follow the chart. If I see any update, I will share. Thanks.